Today on EL Now, Christmas has come early for all EL Now viewers. We have 2 Nokia Lumia phones to give away. It could be you, so stick around for the show. He's back! We check out brand new music video by Alagbomeji King, Nice. A peep into the new 2014 Spring-Summer collection from Larry Da Silva. Premiere date for the most anticipated Nigerian movie yet, Half of a Yellow Sun, released. And don't forget you can win an amazing bouquet for your mom on Mother's Day just by tweeting us a poem to her. Rejoice and be glad. It's EL Now.
So, the start of the weekend is just a few hours away, and I'm sure that most of us are going to rise to the occasion. But before that, let us make sure that we have a smooth ride.
Yeah, and I know you guys have earned the right to turn your groove up this weekend. What with the hectic work week most of us have had, but hey, we have some excitement for you today. Want to hear it?
Sure they do. Have you ever heard of a fashion market? And if so, have you ever been to one?
We know such things are rare, and that's why we are offering you an inside view of one, the Nairobi Fashion Market.
This shindig is organized by someone skilled in such matters, so get set for a fun ride. Meanwhile, on our top 5 today, we have something all new.
We know celebrities are usually known for infamous body arts, so we lined up our pick of our favorite homegrown ink celebrities. So much more coming up after the EL Now news.
Hello, happy people, and welcome. First up is a music comeback of sorts. Gwangwaso singer Nice has made a reappearance into the music scene after reports that he has gone on a hiatus to acquire a law degree. Well, as it seems, the singer is back to claim his place as the king of the mother tongue rap with new music video Shakashi. Directed by Akin Alabi, the video tells the amusing story of the battle between urban dance cultures versus traditional dance. This new offering was released yesterday on social media site YouTube. The track is coming in anticipation of his new album CNN and GRA, which is due for release sometime this month. Now over to fashion, where EL Now News takes a look at the spanking new looks of Larry Da Silva's 2014 Spring-Summer collection. The collection, which is called Color Storm, features a delicately refreshing burst of floral colors reminiscent of pastel paintings. Floral prints and colors are definitely a big look for 2014, so get on the bandwagon and get your style freak on.
Yes, sir. My name is not Sir. Yes, sir.
And from fashion, we move into movies, where we bring you news that the date for the much-anticipated movie Half of a Yellow Sun has been released. The date to mark on your calendar for the Lagos premiere is the 25th of April. Chimamanda Adichie's critically acclaimed award-winning novel Last Year had a movie makeover with stars such as Hollywood's Chiwetel Ejiofor and Tandy Newton, as well as Hollywood heavyweights Zach Oji, Onyeka Onwenu, Osi KJ, and Genevieve Nnaji. The movie, which was written by B. Bandele, last year gained international clout at the Toronto Film Festival in September and the BFI London Film Festival in October. So, Mother's Day is on Friday the 30th of March. Want to win a massive bouquet of flowers for mom? Well, listen up. To celebrate Mother's Day, EL Now will hand-deliver to your mom one exquisite luxury bouquet courtesy Newton and David, premier home of luxury flower arrangements and set designs. All you have to do is tweet in 140 characters an original poem to your mom with the hashtag #LoveMyMom to EL_NowTV. The winner of the best poem will be announced on Friday and have their poems specially read out to their moms on EL Now. So all you Shakespeares, get creative and start tweeting. Best of luck! And finally, it's the Nokia EL Now Superfan Selfie Competition. To celebrate EL Now's 200th episode on the 4th of April, we want to thank you for watching by giving away 2 Nokia Lumia 1520 phones. All you have to do is just win. Send us your wackiest, goofiest, funniest selfie to our Facebook page, facebook.com/ELNowTV. Get all your friends to tag or like your selfie. The 2 selfies with the most tags and likes wins the amazing Nokia Lumia 1520 phones. Simples! The 2 winners will be announced on our 200th episode come the 4th of April. So, are you an EL Now superfan? Start clicking! You're welcome.
Coming up, ever been to a fashion market? Here's a look at one organized by Kenyan event organizer of the Nairobi Fashion Market.
And here's a shocker for you guys. Check out what happened to fab artist Densia when she took a trip to Paris. This is EL Now.